Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Tutanota using 2FA security settings. To authenticate with Tutanota using 2FA security settings, begin by logging into your Tutanota account. Enter your email address and password, then click the login button.
Once logged in, navigate to the settings section by clicking on the gear icon.
In the settings menu, locate the security tab. Click on security to access the security settings for your account.
Next, find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA.
Select the option to enable two-factor authentication.
You will be presented with a QR code to scan.
Open your preferred authentication app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. In the authentication app, select the option to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Tutanota settings page.
If you cannot scan the QR code, you may also have the option to manually enter a code.
Once you have added the account, the app will generate a time-sensitive code. Return to the Tutanota settings page and enter the code from your authentication app.
Click the Verify button to confirm the code.
If the code is correct, Tutanota will activate two-factor authentication on your account. Make sure to save any recovery codes provided by Tutanota for future use. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you will need to enter a code from your app each time you log in. This adds an extra layer of security to your Tutanota account. You have now successfully authenticated with Tutanota using 2FA security settings.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.